Hey guys, so what's up? If anyone is wondering what this look is, I used the new Harry Potter collection. Super good, love it. So now there is an unboxing that I'm going to be doing. This is my Beautylish box. This is the mystery box that I had gotten for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And here is the bag here, so full of goodies. There may or may not be a giveaway. I will let you all know. Just at this time, I won't be able to like send anything out, and it looks like I'm gonna have to do a giveaway. Obviously, I got the banana fetish palette, which I do have, and also the pink religion palette as well, so these will be in a giveaway. That's kind of disappointing, but I mean, they're newer things, so that's kind of nice. Single shadow and cake mix. I don't know which one is in this, or which cake mix is in, but this will go in. Not really interested in a single shadow. This is Repair and Revive Lip Mask. Ooh, I'm starting to really care about the way my lips feel, so I might keep this. So that's cool. I got a skincare item. I definitely do not have this. Smells like candy. This is Gardening Hoe. This is a Velvet Trap lipstick. Pretty. I'll let you guys know. There might be a lot of other things that will be in my giveaway. I have 181 subscribers. I'm hoping to get to 200. So, this shade is Plastic Surgery. I'm not swatching these because I don't know what I'm going to give away, honestly. This is Sky High, the gloss. Right here. I'm not going to swatch it. Sounds like George and Dad's home. Yep. Alright, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this. And then this is George! And then this is Anna Nicole. Hey, George. Hi, buddy. Hello, my munchkin. Hello. And this is Anna Nicole. What? Oh, you want to join? Okay. So this is a lip pencil. Like I said, you guys, I don't know if I'm going to swatch, or I'm not going to swatch any of these just because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. Oh, you want to go to Daddy? Okay, here you go, baby. Not sure if I'm going to keep any of these, but the main things that I know that I'm not going to keep are these three things. Well, I'm keeping this, definitely. That will be there. But these items, I'm not entirely sure, but I did pay $75 for this entire box. I think it's a good box. If I did not have these items, I probably would be very happy, but it was actually kind of a dissatisfying box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you do not mind, like, comment, and subscribe. This is a really short video. I do apologize. I do have another thing. This is my Sephora box. I did get the Glow Recipe Papaya Sherbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I'm excited to give this a try. I've been using Item Beauty Cleansing Balm, and that seems to work very nicely. I've been wanting to use the Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Cyanolytic Serum. This is clarifying, retexturizing serum. Excited to give this a try, but I know this won't work with the spray. Also Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Gel Cream. This is for under the eyes, so I've been wanting to try that. I'm using the avocado one, which is really nice. The Natasha Denona new palette that just came out. They really packaged it nicely. But here is the eyeshadow palette. I'll do a look very soon with this. And then also the cheek as well. Here is the cheek, the highlight, and the blush. But yeah, I'll be giving this stuff a try. So I hope you all like this. I'm really sorry for it being really short. If you guys have questions, let me know. Please, if you do not mind, make sure that you guys do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. These will definitely be in a giveaway. Once I hit 200, I'm going to announce my giveaway, and you guys can do all of that. All right, you guys, have a good day, and I'll see you tonight or later this week. Bye.